So. Mm-hmm. How much for that?
You can't get what it's it. Yeah, charge it enough plan. And if you want a computer as well, can't get rid of it. That computer.
So where you take off the wheel?
Oh, this by this pad I'm gonna put on pad.
A brake pad?
Yeah.
A new one you buy? Oh, cause the back and the front are brake. Okay, okay.
I get those of them,
8,000.
a Ford, American Ford in there, parts in there for your friend.
You have to sell. How you get for manage to afford this? Where you sell? You right?
So look at your man is sitting there.
Lord God, man. 8,000 for one? Free set. Four?
Four. Two for that side and two for that side.
How long them last?
Yeah, man, it last so long, man. All 2 more, 3 years, you go down and work. It depends on how the van work. Depends on how the van work.
Okay. So you had to buy them because you was running it. Where the whole one there? Oh, yes.
That's done, man.
That's done, you know. I just did a whole them two little pieces there.
Yeah.
It done, man.
Can I rebuild them still?
You?
I want to get money for a rebuild. And be and put on the back pan.
Rebuild them. But it's not cheaper that way there. It's cheaper that way there.
Like you have been now, you can rebuild them and come put them down. Yeah, your money, so that's when they're doing, you put them on.
So you take off and do your thing, you change your brake thing yourself.
No, you can't do work on them.
So you would love more tools, right? Like a log tool set.
Man.
That's what I want.
Okay, so that's someone's tool.
So you know what I tell you, man? Got them things that, you know, we'll bring them out.
You can look at my laptop.
What happened to it?
My laptop, nothing come up. It turn on everything, but you not see the mouse. No, you not see the mouse. Like it a load, it has a loading on there sitting there.
And nothing else after that. When you look on it for you, man.
On the laptop. Picture of man.
So no alternator, but you say, okay, at least we can still run. You just don't turn it off, just go back home.
We kill out the battery, man.
Oh, you kill it?
We kill out the battery.
So then you just start it and plug it?
Huh?
Start the car and plug the battery.
Take off the battery off it?
Yeah, man.
No, you can't. I know diesel.
You can't run without the battery?
No?
What you said to me? The car can't run without the battery. My car run without battery, you know.
Can I car?
My Honda Civics.
Run without the battery?
Yeah, when you start, the battery only purpose is for start it.
No, but that's why if the alternator working. If this I work.
That's the only purpose for this is for charge the battery.
No? Look here. If this not work, you see?
Oh yeah, if it not work, it can't now work.
If I not get no current.
You not get no
put the current through the system.
Yeah. True. So that means you're not gonna move, you can't really drive it because
you look at current in the battery now, it will suck out, you can't put back none in there.
But I thought it was the gas that make the wheel them move.
No, sir. The current.
The current I said.
You see the van use computer box. And on the van and a carburetor motor.
Okay.
A fluid injector engine in there.
Oh, okay, that's why it's different.
Yeah.
Because some engine can run without.
If you run it with certain
some engine can run with electricity, run without electricity.
Yeah, man, carburetor motor.
Okay.
So, but this I know, we can run this with the bad current, because you see computer box, 50,000 of the computer box in there.
Where there?
It's under in there, sir.
Yeah.
In the van. Under sir.
You did buy it?
Hmm?
You buy a new one?
No, you're not give me trouble one at the time. I make carry a man to go fix it. 10,000 charge me for fix it. So from me, you get to fix it, and give me no more trouble. So, I don't know. Last night, from radio, I just come already, you know. Come park it through the sitting me broke when me tell us I'm going to go get this. I'm sure I'm going to go get this. I just want to buy from the man yesterday.
Oh, this is broke?
This being broke.
Now you buy a new one.
So I'm going to buy one for my man yesterday. You give the money you give me.
Yeah.
I just give him $3,000 and things, so you go.
Yeah, so you go. And then take it.
I buy just train of the bread pan. I can make over there.
Yeah. And then him
So I come last night, come put on, you know, and say me I go move here now. But when I read up my current, now I'm going to the alternator, what? Or the trouble?
so it's a old alternator, original one.
Original from me have your first been never see the trouble. I just a little bad mind. Just get a little bad mind. Yes. Make me feel down to the car. Come here, I take going on to the 9 idea, you know, man. Alternator, I give me a friggin' fight, you know. No more than a day like a designer. Tell me if you can go fix it. Tell me how to take off from me then.
No motor no there. So when them a fix it, would they recall it? No.
Oh, when you just pull up in, I will just simple like a sitting on teeth, yeah? Yeah? When you take out them know how to fix alternator. You just carry go there, and then pull it up.
Are you sure she had the alternator?
Aight, man. Not in charge. I'm sure you say. I'm sure you say not in charge.
And the battery thing lock and tight on it?
I'm sure you say not.
What do you think the battery, is the battery good?
Yeah, man. If it ain't good, it wouldn't start.
You test the battery? What if you send out the battery old? How old is the battery?
If the alternator charge, you take off it. If I know that's still a chuckle.
Okay, the alternator would
I push it current.
Okay, God, I see what you're saying. Makes sense.
That's why you say maybe if you can drive without the battery because the alternator work.
Yeah.
Yeah. If it start, you know.
Yeah.
You can drive off without the battery.
Yeah. The alternator will give current.
Yeah, man. I push
It's not giving a current
just come
right
like
now.
a generator way, then put on a ground.
Yeah,
put
yeah,
light in
yeah.
your house.
Yeah.
I see something here.
So wait to know, could it just be the card connection?
No, you come like something, you get on like a bun, something bun in there.
And could it be, so the cable wear out?
Them card there.
Yeah.
You know, in a push right now current, some would
Or
have
could it be that one of the way it go? You see me?
Now I'm going to think you could have do. Down when you could have find out different from them can go test it. When you go test them
test to see if it good.
Yeah.
And if it good, then them check the cable.
Alright, so the fuse, you have fuse box, but none of the fuse are cut. I'm going to take out the fuse them since I look on the wall of them. None
To
of
see
them
if them okay.
if you find out like cut fuse, that's a boy I fuse cut.
So then sometimes you put file paper around them just in case.
Not them.
Just to see if
They're not cut, man.
them not cut. Them have to cut if it don't work.
Yeah, them have cut for me. So I fuse box I get trouble. I this a chip out for me. So I will get him. I forgot to try to take time and get him started out.
So when all them things happen, you lose a whole day out of farming.
But I'm not going to bush for a couple. I pull out my teeth and get my teeth them fixed.
Yeah.
I'm through my shape and chop me on this thing there.
Oh, you have to take it easy.
I'm going to take an injection in my hand Monday.
You have to take it easy.
So I'm going to go in the dirty. If you go in the dirty, go and catch up or relax.
Redox, what's Redox?
Relax, man. Like a drop down or sitting, man. Or catch cola or bad cola and anything. The doctor don't tell us you're not going to bush, go do no work. Because you're farming, then you prepare your papers in the clinic where you do. I say nobody going to bush. So if you just go and do it easy yourself.
Sometimes you're up, sometimes you're down. It's a downtime right now.
Yeah, man. So they're a week out.
You deal with the downtime.
Yeah.
But the van look good, the engine look good, man.
Solid as work.
It's solid, man.
Solid as work.
Look like this can run for another 30 years too.
No, and by next year, you come back next year if you get spare life.
License,
different color you
everything.
can no.
Yeah.
If you maybe you're going the same color but you're clean.
Yeah,
Now fix it.
like a spirit
We're
up.
going to the workshop about February then time they're gonna.
Then let me ask you something. If you get your thing license up and thing, may I say the period them run yourself $200 a dozen.
No man, $300. $300 at least.
300 and then Negril. A $200 will pay for one.
Alright.
For one.
One.
So you can load up a big thing up here and sell it for at least $50.
You can load the van up here, man.
So you are the answer for them farmer, you know. Because if you all take them here and go Negril in there, you come back, you're beard. You guys have tried many different businesses in the past. Chicken, this. You try many things for learn. Some succeed, some not succeed. But what does work is when you have a transportation, you have the goods, you go far. That work. That can't fail. And if that fail, you can at least rent your transportation for go market.
Yeah, man, right now if you van straighten up on a walk. I want a man to buy and make a go town and if his machine broke down, if his van broke down and he come call you. I can work at 10,000 quick.
How much for the pickup truck them were good? About $1 million, not a million, 100,000 for a good pickup truck, Toyota. Something were good.
Like the van them?
Yeah.
Come on, them dear on them. Them van they are running at $350,000.
Wow, 30,000. So how much you pay for this?
Yes. Oh, when we buy from the youth, we park up, you know. Give me 100,000 again.
100,000? That's about 10,000 US. Huh?
100,000. That's about
I thought.
1,000. When we buy 4 years now, buy.
So you say how much for the new van them?
A second hand, I get no new one.
No, I mean the good one them.
We're in a good condition.
Yeah.
350 them money there. 350.
That's what that? 300,000?
Yeah.
That's about
3,000.
3,000.
Because if I go get one nice little one, you have to about 3,500.
So the best thing for have for Jamaica is not really, because we live around here, it's not really a taxi business, it's really a food transport business. Because if me have a van and me load up Baba Yam them, and go on the grill, we beard.
Yeah, make money.
You beard,
Yeah, man.
right? So you jack him up and put on, okay.
Every time I this party, I know, I put off that theater, so and then everything a weekend I run, I don't know how I go on. You can't drop in a Christian and make boy himself.
The alternator. If I know one thing, it's another, you know. When you deal with computer, the same thing, you know. You see, headache for the whole day, but you say one sit around.
Oh, you know, say, give me no trouble, my tell us at the bar. I threw the front end when I shake right there. I pull it, you know. But through the board like a funny making never pull. So I put, so I broke it broke.
Wow.
That's what you me go by yesterday.
And you broke it?
Yeah, man, I broke it right, that's how I broke it. Right, you know, I pull and I put on, jack up it all and put one long iron on the socket pan and turn up out the road, I press it up. Nah, pull.
So you learn to fix and you broke it at this. Learn.
No, you know, I can't do work.
So I hit this. One like it. See there?
Yeah, other side they broke. Other side they broke.
Oh, so you broke the thing, Pops?
Yeah,
Lord God. So how much you say you pay for it?
100 grand I pay for it.
100 grand. That's about 1,000 US. That's not bad, you know, for the country. Yeah. So that license plate not really answer nothing. A good van, man. A good yam van, you know.
Alright, Cassie, I'm sure you say yesterday, you know why you talk about Rambo Slim?
Yeah.
You know Rambo?
Yeah.
In America.
Him gone up?
Yeah, man, you live right across the road.
Yeah, farm work?
No, you go on a program thing, I want to family them line up with you. Do my boss. You go work in a hotel. Like, you tell me, say, I just let me him talk. I just let me him talk. I show me, say, yo, I just let me him talk. I look at me, I send him a voice note since morning, I tell him, say, more I want to look at Mackie board.
Mackie for your
sound
system?
Yeah.
You should have asked for tool set, Pops. You're not supposed to have a Mackie board. Tool set.
See, I can voice note me 2 times since morning too. So you must say. See, since we can send all the van, see, alright, America in there, and he show me, say, yo, see your van up here working on, man. See there. Look here, sir. He says, I say, yo, see when I have van and I see him color everything, you know, I hit that park up out there, so you know, you see it? I show me say, every day pass them in America, run up and down, you say, yo, every time you see them, you talk about your old van, I don't know old van you have, but fix the van. Yes. I mean, my chat, man, because I'm ask him for your Mackie board. Since I see how about them, since I'm 2 cents, since my, I mean, I ask him for your Mackie board.
A Mackie board?
Yeah, man, you put it on this one. Last night, yeah.
So when are they state in there?
Yeah, man.
So when me leave for 4:30 now, me at the yard like probably for 3/4 hour then wait and then me gone again. But for next week now the work them cut down, so me have more time at yard. Me have more time home, can't talk to anybody. I have to do marina, me have to do houseman. And if you call, if you call, meet, then call you. If they call you, you know, answer them go ask you say if you're ready on a work and then sitting there. So me can't actually note it. Me can't actually note it and say boy come up here. The October, you know, the 7th. The hardest day me over work for enough of people them depend day after today, so less people they are up today. Because in the whole hotel are 3 house man are we. And you know, 100 room. 100 room you deal with and now go 3 house man. We have to strip bed, we have to go get the sitting them for the woman them. So we will talk to you later still, but we still there work. More nearly half hour more. Little over half hour more if you come off, you know. So pray for the half hour come man. If you go get the 5-10 minutes, blow off and then now me go on my next work. But my next work now I lock down in the week, so we have more time when me left this work and now I come in the evening time. Well, the work them a good on now, them less day I get now. But as we say, busy for a man and we just see your message. Because me have your guardian.
So they must have done here, sir.
Well, so him realize the foreign not pretty.
Yo, we send you the picture of this in them, you know, so you have to tell me which one out of them the two you want, which one out of them the two you like. And make me know which one. Whether the top one or the bottom one. So you choose one out of the two.
I mix a board this one a CD player. A CD player.
You see the man upstairs work hard.
We don't mind work, man. We don't go and get work.
But you hear what I said though? Him say I had the same ever working in life.
No, he said from him go up there, from April he go away. He said, this never work from April, from him go up there.
Oh.
Because the work has ceased down here now.
Okay.
I can't say if I can't call him.
No man, no bother him man.
You know I work there, man. You know work Wednesday and Thursday.
Rambo, me come down here, come check him and now him gone.
So I go,
A real life thing, you know. Real life thing out there. All the world, real thing about.
I mix a board in, that I mix a board on a Mackie board now.
So Mackie for do what?
I say the Mackie board now. You know them arms where they string up like, you say you play like keyboard, you can put the guitar in a hit. You can put the drum set in a hit. You know that piece of arms there?
Yeah.
A Mackie board, them call it Mackie board.
Yeah. So what you want that for?
Put on the sound.
So you can have multiple inputs?
Yes, you have all the input and you play the sound better.
You
tune the sound. You have to tweet, you have things string up. You just string on the...
So is that equalizer?
Yeah, it come like equalizer.
But it have a limited amount of EQ, you know. An EQ will give you a better sound. The Mackie is more for inputs.
You know about sound?
Yeah, man, I know about electronics, man. Yeah, man. So it's like, do you have a preamp equalizer? Do you have an equalizer? Do you have one?
The one from the sound all.
It all.
No good.
So when the sound I play, you don't hear the right sound.
You know the sound.
You tweet a box them now.
Yes.
No. And a Mac, I think on a Mac you need.
This is the one. I saw them. More alright. This one have an equalizer upon it. You have crossover upon it.
Yeah.
You have an you have the bass power them upon it.
Yeah.
So when you now give me a mixer board down the road, I'm give him $6,000 for it.
So the mixer board.
That's the one like where you see my show me on the phone.
Yeah.
But this one I know I use it 2 CD, play with 2 CD in a hit. So would I even tell him say I check him now, I ask him say how much is value. Come here and say if he can get it for like a $120 US, the money there. You can carry come because we can afford that when in the December. You can pay for it.
You know your priority, you know. It's not like you get married, you have the van broke and then Mackie. The sound making money?
I road man to pick up on.
You want the sound to go up on the road?
Yeah, man. Push up on the road, you can make money every weekend. Sometimes you can get a play for your $10,000 or $8,000 money. I'm going to carry.
So fix the van first.
Guess what happened now?
Fix the van first, get the van license first, then deal with the sound.
You know, me just show me the sound, you know, guess what?
You see me?
Make me try
music is a good thing, you know, but music sometimes...
I want me to music for play too. When after I do my married thing in the evening, I keep looking up artists and speed. So I want the sound for play.
So you can't play nothing in our work?
No, you just pack up put on me.
But it will work?
You can't play.
It's just that you want to tune the music.
Alright.
All right. Yes, well, yeah. But no make him waste the money on a Mackie if I know that what you need. Because trust me. Trust me, make sure you know what you need. Get a sound man to assess the thing.
No, me tell him.
Because if him buy you a nice, you see how if him buy you a nice amp equalizer combine, get a good sound man, pay him a little money if you say what the sound need. And him show you what box you need. If you get the wrong thing, I just a waste. Give the sound man like a 500.
No, man, you see sound man, man a string sound. If you call, if you go by your place, go string sound. You money man tell you say 25,000. Look one rock sound me have, but them the money man charge you for do it.
Shit.
So you sit down. You think you might want to about give my little change? You know, take no little change, man. No, take no little change, Kevin.
So let me ask you something. With your foot on the van, it catch good on the
Yeah, man, you have a black on there.
Okay.
You have black on there, then if you
Your father, you know, you're getting married, you know, my lad.
if you slip out, you just jump on the black.
Yeah, your father, you have to take care of yourself.
I just.
So you have to turn him around more.
I push in the. I push in the this part. More if you through the nipple, you know, the kind of. So them. So we're gonna put a car. We're gonna take off your alternator and go put you up on my eye so I'm ready to go fix it. So look here. When you go back to Lena?
No, I can't take a taxi, you know. We can't take a taxi. No stress the thing.
No, I may go on this thing.
Real life, you know. Oh, you learn all this stuff.
No, I'm going to learn trade a maneuver.
Oh, you learn about car.
Somebody's going to learn trade a maneuver.
Maneuver?
Yeah. I work myself and I set myself to a trade. When time I see no life in there, nobody know help me.
Yeah.
2000, my granny grew up for 93, 91, 92.
Yeah.
And when they got in for when they must say they work. Because they never send me to school, you know. I still be school, I go. No piece, I don't care. I think the school they said me, so when they got for me there, I bata per word. I find myself a trade. I work pan truck with them and I save my money. I saved $9,000 for me the time. I buy a bicycle.
All right.
And when I got trade a man in time, them time there, you not get motor like now. You see me? You just a one bus pass your man in time, I pay $7.50. Then time you used to pay $7.50. $7.50 for go man there and $7.50 for come back. $15 a day for my lunch, for my fare.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm used to grow as a youth. I used to have a truck there. I'm bridging, I'm there. I say, yo, I'm not telling you, man, I'm going to learn how to trade in a car. And he must say to me, say, yeah, I'm bridging a man different, I can't go by there. And he can't go by there. And the man don't want to take me. Tell me go, the man I tell me to come back. But me not top go. We used to go out there every Saturday. Every Saturday I go and say, he said me to come back. He can't take me now because I have worry for somebody. He still go still. Your top go so till one Saturday I go and say, look, you're determined, man. And he said to me, say, you're a tool. So I don't know a tool. He said, then you can learn trade, you don't know a tool. I say, a tool. And I am on the day. And see myself in so. I take a bus. I run a town. The Laxan live a Mount View. I'm going to tell Laxan and he say, and he just go for in tool pan and give me about 3 spanner. About 4 spanner he give me.
Yeah.
2 screwdriver.
Yeah.
And he sitting there and say me to go on. And just come back down Monday morning. I did it. Early as the daylight. I did over there. The man come in and see me there, yo. Man, I say, yo, Blacker, you're serious, you know, Blacker, he call me. He say, Blacker, but you're serious, man. And I say, yeah, man. Because you know, sometimes when you're not nothing, you know, you really know family will look out for you.
Yeah.
You have to look out for yourself, you know.
No, but there's no such thing as family in the universe. I just you, you know.
So look out for myself.
Yeah, man.
Push out my effort. You know, say me I'm in school, so they're not that clean, so I have to find something to do. I did that with the man, you know, but the time I get rough and tough, I know, and the man, I can't do something, you know, but the man, if I even weekend time, if you couldn't, if you give me a little thing, you know, that's me can buy soap and even can push off at myself, you know.
Yeah.
You know, I do nothing for me, you know, you
Yeah.
He start growing me. But me just got trade, you know.
Yeah.
But you don't know what now. You see, when I come from up this district, yeah, where the patch and sitting up here, you know. So we know the trade, you know. We know enough of the trade, you know.
Yeah.
So you say, me there, buddy. I like, you know, come and work in the early morning. More times I look come and come in the town to work, you know. And we mash up here all in the morning there.
Yeah.
I can't bowl them. So me always have all the money.
Yeah.
Because man, I go make one look big work, you know.
Yeah.
But some boy did know when me did I do the work, the boy them didn't want help. They don't help me. I went there the money fish when the man pay me now. The man give me 6 bills. 600 enough money in 93 me I tell about, you know.
Yeah.
No money now. The man give me 6 bills, the boy them have fish here. So no, and I say go. So when the man come now, they tell him say me cut yours. The man tired cuss. Me also for the man glad say somebody come here and can do it.
Yeah.
That's true.
Yeah.
The man tired cussing a star.
So you do the work.
Blacker, trade, other trade you can learn how you can work, man. Now one of the hardest work me go do in the morning, then I want cross and beans, me change off and drive in chaff, you know. So when me change off with the man, I say, you want about 3 weeks now, you come here, you know. I don't think you can change, you know, but if you spoil it, you have to buy it back, you know. I said, the man tell me in the morning, you know, I say, but you know, so I can't change it. Pull up and change it to blow it and he give me $400 and tell me say I come back and pay me. He gonna give me money in the evening. So the man you know that did now when I say but that kind of trade you come man, you can't walk. I didn't put on some work for me, he say one whole gearbox man if you take down and put up. And he not pay me when weekend come and if I'm just gonna say I give me $150 a day. A weekend. That's a good money, because I can't pay me for the whole week. Can't get me I get lunch, because my daddy been up at the park. So I could have go there and get some lunch and cook.
Yeah.
So I did I go on. One time now, we did about a month and he said, I give me $250 a week. He better give me $150. When he said, I give me $250, I know I'm not get $200.
Oh, once him say you can't work him, work you out, make the money.
Yes, and he my rumid. Time he go out and come in and junk. Say, alright. So you want to say, night, just one night I wait for the man till 8 o'clock, then time there. No more time now. When time I see the man come here, the man said to me, say, Black, I think you ain't gone. Let me have a fear, you know. I say, I'm go and I no fear. I said to one brother, say, can't forget. You want $40, you can't give Black a till Monday when he come. So I come back here.
Wow. So you go away and him call you?
Yeah, me come let me tell him phone and the thing, man. Yeah, call me. No go back over there. Just, me and when me tool them about a month after I go for me tool. Go for me some case at work. I may not get enough tool now, enough tool.
Yeah, and you bring it up here?
Yeah, man.
And that is your mechanic?
So, catch up some I trade the road.
Okay. Lockstand, you learn to?
Yeah, man, that's a mechanic, man.
Yeah, man.
Can pull on truck to everything, man.
Pull on the whole truck?
Yeah, man. You do Lockstand, you do good mechanic work.
Well, a computer I deal with, me can build them from scratch. Everybody, that's what I say, when God make man, there's no family but man and God. Don't ever depend on nobody.
I remember I say, you know you can call a computer, I say, I make the laptop look for me.
Me look on it for you.
You know how I make it now load. The mouse now come up on.
The mouse now come up? Sometimes it have some software in it you have to clean out. So you have to review.
Alexa and laptop won't give me a man. You want to make you have everything in a man.
Where?
Alexa, they want to make you have everything where you can get it to you, you know.
I know, man.
You know? Yeah?
It's a good man.
I'm going to go do that. This body I give me a problem. I'm going to cut them board down. So we can get this and go down the community.
So it look like it's a lock on real tight, you know?
No, yeah. Through the display, them new.
Yeah.
They're thick. So you see the piston right now, so?
Yeah.
I want to go down the community. I want to squeeze it down the community, but I forgot to pull this. I look on 14 span.
Okay. So who are the next mechanic around here?
You don't know that's someone.
Oh,
You run away sick. Drive a truck.
okay.
I'm-
So what that truck they pull?
Hmm?
They pull anything in here?
Market people carry.
It carry market people from here?
From Craig.
And
Curry at home. That's where this evening.
with them food?
Yeah, man, when you see this tonight, you know until you can't hold no more.
And the
I
people
think
them
that's
in, the
what they go
people them in the truck with them food and turn up.
Yeah, man, load, well load. Top load and whole heap of truck. If you want to go around Christian tonight, I'll 9 o'clock.
So much the market people them pay the truck driver.
Yeah, so they, by the back.
Okay. So they don't really pay for themselves, just them
Just
goods.
Just by the back.
So them stack up the thing and boom. And this bring back barrel. It bring back barrel down here.
Anything about them, you could know
So the whole community work together.
Bad mechanic is someone can make anything. Welding and taking
Mm-hmm.
yeah?
So you have to have a mechanic in the place, a truck driver, and you have some good masonry construction man. How much people charge for day work now if you do some construction?
I think there's I don't know if the labor are different from mason man. So you see labor now. Must about either 2,500 a day or 2,000. Any of the money they do. For the labor, that's the man who mix up the concrete can give by the mason man. But the mason man himself are either 5 or 4, 4 or 5 are the money there. That's me.
And if you don't have the money, don't hire him.
Don't hire him, they want the money on the weekend.
Weekend. A weekend. Him don't want it per day, man, or per weekend.
Yeah, weekend money work.
So that's the gas man.
That look like that.
So you order your gas and him just come.
Right here, anything what you want, fertilizer, full feed, anything.
So he may have a delivery business.
Yeah, my them, you know.
Okay.
Juna.
Yeah.
You know Juna?
Yeah, yeah.
I him man.
Are him that?
I'm the delivery now.
Are him in the van?
No, in the man. I work with them, man.
Okay, so them have a
All
delivery.
they have a delivery, man.
Them
Bike.
Oh, so them set up a delivery service.
Yeah, man. You're not
So you-
you're not flip here to buy nothing.
Eh?
Anything what you want, zinc, you got everything you
Where
want.
is it to me?
Cement. You get it right there.
So you may not forget Christiana.
You know, we got Christiana.
So them buy it and you pay them feet. And
Yeah,
then
man.
them up the,
Don't just buy and sell.
them give the receipt.
You get your receipt and everything.
And you pay for the delivery.
Like $50 for delivery, or $50. Like when we buy a bag of food, a gas, $50 for delivery, I get $50.
Where I said to me?
Yeah, man, right? $50.
So them set a time when them bring things in. So them
No,
just,
man, like they have the number.
but them not deliver just to you. Them
No,
wait till
if
them.
you want, if you want, like
But
me,
if I know you one, them
get,
wait.
No, man, no, wait, man. They get a delivery as you call them to come. Why is the bike them you gone on different road?
So if I want some cement right now,
Right now, as you turn up right there, and call up a Juna, you get the cement up a yard.
where I said to me?
See, look up and gone up back there.
So if I want some, anything I want, them go to the hardware store go buy it.
You have big place up so when you buy and store up and you sit there when you deliver it out to you.
Oh, so him have a warehouse for him.
Yeah, man, up a pike.
Him have gas.
Gas, anything you want. Anything you want.
So for them businesses to set up a warehouse, then you call them,
Then
them
deliver
bring
to you.
it.
Yeah, man.
I feed them goods.
Yeah, man. Things can I just say you're not going to go buy nothing right also. I'm good thing you can go buy your food. Like you want food at supermarket.
So we need a drill.
Can I drill?
A real drill. You have a drill?
No, I have no drill.
Like a drill with bore hole.
I have to borrow one.
You have to
Borrow one.
borrow one.
Like, yeah, use it.
Like say we have a toilet, I'm off. You
Set up it.
see the little bolt in the toilet will keep the toilet down and the screw the thing pan, you have to drill a hole in the cement.
Or you never plant them.
We will just put the cement down and put the pole them in it and make it set.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
So there's things up at the place we have to go fix up. You know, if we make it kind of... Okay, so you said delivery.
Come on, you get the number man and call any one of them. I hope I delivery, you know. There are two of them, Mr. Dead and Jonah. Two different sets. When I buy all 4 feet and I said, no, I'm going to go. Just call them and go to the other deer and man go road. But when I buy feed now, I got Christian. If I buy no feed, I got Christian. Because you get the percentage.
Get it cheaper.
Yeah, like, then we are selling for 1,800 a bag. And we got Christian, we get it for 17 or 16.50 or the money then. If you buy enough, go down, money go down.
Okay. Something I learn. All right.
Come on, anything you want, you get here, man. Anything, cement, malt, sand. Anything of them thing you want.
All the sun them deliver?
Juna deliver sand with the big truck.
Them sun good.
You want to draw sand, you got carrying on for sand.
I film son
Jonathan them. You see by them brother?
build the house.
Yeah, man, I'm draw all the them couple.
So
You hold a truck up there, you know.
eh?
You hold a big truck up there, man.
Up where them
If I water you want in the tank up here, you get water. 1 truckload of water.
Sure. So them can do the cement, sand, steel.
Everything where you want. If you build a house and you talk to him and him you, and if you possibly spend $1 million, just call him and talk and you pass by your money, everything come to you.
$1 million is 10,000.
Yeah. Every 10,000. Money there, I know what's on everything.
So $1 million would I get you a whole party?
Yeah, man, $1 million, you get your cement, man.
In this little community, everybody know everybody business. That's Pops. And you have Baba. They're all farmers. Pops has a van, you know. Family helps him to fix the van. He has about 3 children taken care of. One of the fastest girls in Jamaica right now is his daughter. And he works, sell yam in order to send her to boarding school. This life is like any other life anywhere else. Men drink at the shop, get drunk. A drink called Bad Boy. It's not so much of a refined rum. So they work really hard around here. You know, but when it comes time for like August to mid to August, it gets rough when the weather gets dry. So, Pops, how did you do this? You want a drink?
Oh, yeah, man, I drink water.
Oh, you got it on? You put it on? How did this year treat you? Like, it was rough when there was no rain.
Yeah, man, a wicked thing, man. A wicked thing going on here. A wicked. You have to just ask God to how you survive out that week, yeah. When the weekend come.
Not really godly people, cause only God owner.
Yeah, man, so no God know you can't talk to. If you don't ask me how you survive out, when you picking them to at school, you say I get up all the morning time. You find out the lunch money, I don't know the food that come. And go through say, we no live so hard still. Can't go bush, you find something cook. Can't find something, because we always raise 2 chicken or something them. If I want to have for dead put in a barrel, I can't go in there too, you know. Think I joke I make. If I want to have for dead go in a barrel, I can't have to go in it, man.
Go in a barrel, what do you mean?
Eh?
When you say go in a barrel, what does that mean?
If you can't up on hug train, I want a barrel
to
yeah, that's how it takes it. If I want to hug for go in a barrel, you have to go in there, you know. I'm hungry and hug back up.
But you have to plant more Carlo over hard still enough. But don't forget the Carlo up. When you're done, we're going to get a drink.
Man, plant Carlo, you know. Right now, sometimes the man push up in car, think plant Carlo or go in tent. So things set, you know.
So that is the lock feet.
So I make different from the next motor then. 4 there. Make different.
Because if you broke that, you can't hardly buy that, you know.
This is not on board now. Good to go. Take the brake, tough, you know?
So you know, things say it's too close to it, you rub it down.
Oh, this pad. Yeah, man. Brake this way like a lock.
Look like it's lock.
Me push down the brake, you see me right down and pull it, you know? This pad is lock up on it, man.
I forgot just run it out maybe.
Yeah, man, by drive off, man, I run it, so never about.
Well, once you put it on, you can run it a little, right?
I'm ready to drive him, man. Drive him off and move him off. I know, say a good break.
I go have a drink. A break.
I'll drink some.
You want a drink? What you drink? You want a drink?
What? Bobby! Guys, I ain't carried for about $1,200 US.
One of this?
Yeah.
And what kind of car?
Nissan.
Them can done.
I want to keep lamp. Can soup up and pretty too.
Yeah, yeah. Want a drink?
Yeah.
Let's have a drink. Turn off the radio for me.
Huh?
Turn off the radio. Turn the radio off.
What's the
Okay, let me get a red stripe. What that?
Malta.
Malta. Let me get a Malta. Alright. Give me a red stripe then.
Two beer and one Malta.
Yeah.
Yes, King.
Yes, man, we're there.
We did see you did that.
Last time up there.
Yeah, you see up on YouTube.
Eh?
Yeah. I mean,
Me never take out, you know, but me see one with you, the first one is sorry.
Yeah.
Baba. That one is sorry. One is sorry, that bad.
Yeah.
Me have it for my phone.
We have him one.
Imagine so sorry, like you for last year Christmas.
For Baba yard.
For Baba. Me see it on YouTube, me have it funny right now.
Yeah, man.
But the last one, I go up there, I never pick up on.
Yeah, man, remember when I did go up there, you know? How you been?
Me dey about man, me Sunday man when you go up, me dust then gone a bush, me out some see you going out so.
Oh,
When
okay.
you go up there, you.
My friend them. Oh, you this spot way?
Me dey up on the hill, I go over bush over so.
How far are you bush there?
Over, you go over the hill and turn down. Baba them a part around the gully so we have.
How much land you do?
About 2 acres and over there we have over there.
Yeah? What am I tell you? How much more?
$1,200.